There's a lot to be negotiated here. There are funds which have been delayed from last year, and if they were to be released, final tranches of the EU bailout, then that would allow Greece the opportunity to cover the debt repayments it has to make to the IMF and to the ECB this year. But in order for that funding to be released, Greece needs to agree to implement reforms that are also delayed from last year. So as I say, a lot of negotiations required. In terms of restructuring debt, there seems to be a willingness on the part of EU creditors to ease the terms of the loans that have been made to Greece. So I think that, again, this is going to be a matter for negotiation, although there is pushback from Germany, and I think we shouldn't underestimate the resistance of Germany to making changes without seeing significant reform plans and commitments from the Greek government. Last year was a bad year for the economy. Sentiment was quite poor as a result of geopolitical constraints. I think increasingly we're seeing more optimism over the outlook for the region. There's a strong stimulus from the European Central Bank in terms of the promise to buy more assets through the QE program. There's a strong stimulus from the fall in energy prices, and that's going to deliver a big boost to growth. The cheaper euro is very positive for European producers and for European exporters, and governments are not running such tight fiscal policies anymore. So all in all, I think there's a lot to be positive about, and this is being reflected in the purchasing managers' indices.